And I forgot to thank you who have subscribed to the Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Liz and Vaishnav with you. I hope all of you are absolutely fine. Now it's already 2021, but I'm not seeing any sign of improvement in terms of COVID. It's still not regular yet, and we are still working from home for most of the cases, such as parent-teacher meeting or maybe some office conference calls. We have to attend them, and even interviews are getting done by video call as well. And it's different to do makeup for camera versus regular basic makeup. So I thought I would make a video on how to do makeup to look presentable on camera in case you're attending a video call or you're doing a live like Insta live or a Facebook live. This is going to be very handy for you. First, I'm going to moisturize my face with the Lakme Peach Milk Soft Moisturizer. And for my lips, I am going to use this Avon Naturals Cherry Lip Balm. This is pretty good. Now, I am going to keep my brows pretty simple today, so I am using this Mars eyebrow kit. Now it has 4 powders, super nice, and it comes with a brush which works actually good. I'm not being precise, but I'm just lightly filling the space that I have, like the empty spaces. Now after I'm done with the powder, I'm going to take a spoolie like that and I will blend everything together. Now when you are doing makeup for camera, remember less product or less coverage means better looking skin. If you want to have a good healthy looking skin, try to use lesser product and less coverage product. And that's why I am going to use the Swiss Beauty Perfect Matte Pan Stick today. It is very light coverage. It blends into your skin and makes it look like your own. And make sure you're not forgetting your neck. And I'm going to blend it with this new beauty blender that I bought. Now I need to be careful while blending anything on my forehead. See how beautifully it's blending with my skin. It's just looking my skin, but a little bit dewier. It's amazing for people who don't like full coverage makeup. You can definitely invest in a foundation or a pan stick like that. And after that, I am going to take a little bit of concealer, just the regular one that I use. I'm not going to highlight my face. I'm just going to cover up the little dark circle that I have. Okay, now to set my face, it is my okay, now to set my face, I am using this Color Essence compact powder. I don't use compact powder that much, but I don't know why I wanted to use this one today. So I am going to take a fluffy brush like that and I'm going to set full face of mine. I am not going to use the lipstick like the blush that I use. So I am setting my full face. I'm going to use a powder blush today. And I forgot to thank you who have subscribed to and I forgot to thank you who subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. It really means to me a lot. Okay. And then with the same brush, I am going to take the blush and I'm going to mix it with this color. And what it's doing is it is bronzing the face at the same time, and I'm going to take it a little bit on my nose like and middle of my face, just a tiny little bit. Okay, I'm done with the blush and I won't do anything fancy. I won't apply highlighter today. I don't want to look like a glow bomb. Today I'm going to keep my eye very simple, and for that I am going to take a fluffy brush, like a big fluffy brush, and I'm using the middle shade, and I will place it all over my lid, like just like that. This is going to be super simple. You literally need just one eyeshadow to do this, and I'm not even doing it with a shadow, it's my contour color. Okay, why am I doing my full lid with a darker color? Because I have concealer on top of my lid and I don't want it to be a different color like white. And now after that, what I'll do is I'll take my highlighter palette, and from there I'm gonna choose a very light pigmented color with my finger. See, it is very mild, it is not like a shimmer, but it is going to give some glow. I'm going to put this on the center of my lid, just the center. I'm not dragging it up and down. See how nice it's looking? It's not like a usual shimmer with chunky glitters in it, but it has beautiful glow. Now at this point, if you want, you can put a winged liner, but instead of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tightline my upper lash line with this Blue Heaven soft kajal. It's in black. What I'll do is I'm going to pull my eyelid a little bit, and I'm going to look straight on my mirror, and I'll start filling the white part of the lid. So make angry eye like that and tightline your lower, not like the upper lash line. Make sure not to poke your eyes. It is nicely done. I'm going to take a shader brush, and I am taking the brow powder, and from here I am going to use the dark shade, and I will gently go on top of our kajal. And I'll do the same for my lower lash line as well. So again, taking that same kajal, placing it on our waterline, now I will intensify the corner of my eye, and I am going to make a little V-like shape. You can call it a wing, but it's not like a wing, it's like jointing my upper and my lower lash line together. Okay, I'm pretty much done with the eye. It is like a very basic black. It is looking like smoky eye, but an easier version of it, and I think it is going to be very office appropriate. Now I'm going to put mascara, and for that I'm using the Swiss Beauty Precision Mascara. Oh my god, this is such a good affordable option. It is going to give a high competition to the Maybelline ones. It is as good as them. It's amazing, and you will see what I'm talking about when I use it. Are you seeing the difference on both of my eyes? It is that good. It is looking like spider legs. My eye look is complete. Now what I have left is my lip, and for that I am using this super popular lip pencil by Me Now. Everybody seems to have it, and I am going to use this nude shade. It is a very beautiful and pretty nude, and I'm going to slightly overline my lip with it, like ever so slightly. And actually I am going to fill my full lip with this. This nude is so pretty. I think my look is done here. So this is what this makeup has turned out into, and I've tried to keep it as neutral as possible with the minimum product. You saw how quickly this makeup was done, and I don't know if you've noticed, but I didn't use any primer or setting spray to create this look, because I am going to be on home my base is anyway going to last as long as I want. So that is it for today's video. If you like it, hit on that like button, share it with your friends and family, because I'm pretty sure everyone is attending video calls these days, so they might get some help from this video. And if you like this face, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on that little notification bell by the side of it, so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And until then, stay happy, keep glowing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.